say the mascalado, do the bakar hasale. And say the mascalado, do the bakar hasale. And say mascalado, Hana hasale. سلامات كلاتكم كبرات تحتتلتي. Welcome back to شكوينا بحبي كميك انكم كلاتكم كبرات تعذبتي. مجمرة من الاخت خبدلي رحس بعال عودامت انه كلاتكم امنتي خرستنا رحس بعال قدس يوحنس رحس بعال حدش عمت انه كلاتنا امنتي اورثودوكس. كالي خبلكم دليخا زيا ميك اب لوك تريد لكم بصحات حاسيت كناني نركن فيديو زرقحي ناي عودامت ميك اب الكراني لو معتخا عدل لكن اللوخ زي أمرب تسفاي قبرت فوتوات خنا زي أمرب كي ترسعة لايك كومنت شير سبسكرايب تقدروا نخلاتكم كا أمن تخرستنا كا داقي ما يخبلكم رحوس عودامت نخلاتنا سنة عمت قبرنا كم زياخا مثل عمت كم زياخا خنا لنا نمني طلتنا قبرنا أملاخ سنة مشت سنة معت نخلاتكم رحوس عودامت كا. One of my subscribers asked me to do this look. So I did this look. She's like, oh my god, can you do a look for the holiday? So I decided to do this look for you guys. I hope you guys liked it. It's very natural. It's kulluha is affordable products. So everything that I've shared today, these are all affordable makeup that you can find. So yeah, I hope you the eyes now. Eyeshadow. So I went to the Maybelline. This is their new palette that they just came out with. I think like sometime in the summer. So زيا Haddish ناي Maybelline eyeshadow ناخنتقم حجي وطيا مثلا مجمرة summer dew أبزك أربع وانا وطيا زيا eyeshadow. So Haddish I haven't used it yet. أتتقم كلان دلخو. So we are going to see how it works and if it's as good as other eyeshadow palettes. So I like it and I use a little bit of it to prime my eyes. Just a little bit, just a little bit. It's not a little bit. Alright, so you're gonna just put this on your eyelid. I like Maybelline products. They're very good. A lot of people sleep on people sleep on drugstore makeup all the time. They think that just because it's husur, just because it's cheap, that it's not good. Listen. أنا خلكن دلي even تحصر دهونه makeup كو حرة جزء تبغى نقدر تركبي هكذا especially حجي من عرب زجزة كلنا تناي makeup company تات competition in اللوا so كلنا تهم product كن يوضع درا in اللوا حجي like حنتي توت أجله تبغى تخوينه even حصر تخوينه تحن تخاخ مختبرات دللا so it's like very like competitive دللا you know and they're all in competition right now trying to get the best products. So drugstore makeup has come a long way and listen, I use it on myself, I use it on my clients because listen, there's nothing wrong with saving some money. Makeup is expensive, okay? Makeup is expensive. Alright, so we are going to use go into like our crease area and it's blend. So أبزع شاف جميلكن أبزع اللي عاتمين عد الله أبزع تريد اللهن عاتمي أو blend كتقبر عخن أو أخت عخن تحبري أو blend. So yeah, I don't know if it's like I'm not really seeing the colors, but I guess maybe we just have to keep adding more to it. Maybe I should just, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get some of the color and just tap it in. Just tap it in and then just keep adding more. Like, that was so cool. So yeah, maybe it'll show. Okay, so yeah, so حوصلنا نخلطين تاك إيه دبرت ice pop شما and the sweet tea. And I'll just, okay, so I'll tap it like that. Tap it into the crease. So up to crease, up to لعلة عتمنا هذا اللو لعلة كبر عين هذا اللو عتمي. أو طبق طبق أخن. طبق. أنا أسمرة. So, okay, it's starting to show a little bit more. You must حجي رأي الله قربته. But oof, you gotta put a lot in this to show. Oh, maybe I need to change brushes. Okay. Alright, let's see how this. Okay. I didn't blend just blend it. Okay, it's not bad. Okay, so old fashioned shama, we're gonna use the same brush and apply that to the outer corner of our eyes. So Azia can go right now. Okay. That was second. Oh, this stuff has a lot of fallout too. Okay, is it Maybelline? بزوحي الرقف. So مجمرة عينهن eyeshadow مجمرة سو كده قبل لكن because زي بزوحي دفسس الله I don't تريد لهن بزوحي دفسس رقفي بزوحي الرقف دفسس قال لكن بزوحي الرقف. So make sure that the foundation can I تحرك قول لكن. So you know what you guys can do more كده تقدر لكن هاي تقبرها مدي تقبرها افرق ايد كنت تتقمع اخن ليش تقلقن نزيا كركن كات لخو اخن كم دقيقه كن قربت يدم قبل كنت دليل حر جزء تاخوني to brush I to brush تحبرين to brush comfortable حر جزء يا ابي كايو الله جزءات دا ابي كا to كبر عينها خلكي حجي بتفرق ايدنا تقرنايو more دمق قبليو كم تتريد اللقان there's more دمق لله. So you can just not bad at all. So yeah, you guys can use your fingertips to apply it. You know, it gives you more pigment because sometimes the pigment of the makeup of the eyeshadow can kind of stay on the brush and not really get on your eye, if that makes any sense. So you could just do that and make it come. So what I'll do is now I'm just gonna fix it around. I fix it. Okay, حجي foundation نحن قبلنا مجمرة خم دبلكوخن كل the products حصريو بزخونة دكانات وشت أمريكا تلخن بزخونة drug store تروحوا أيغن like yeah, fire trucks. Wow. أنت تأخمسهم fire trucks عاولهم. Anyways, كم دبلتكم زي products تروحوا أخن أب زخانة دكانات أب وش أمريكا تلخن Walmart, Target, زخانة drug store حصري زو كل نجار even Ulta Beauty تروحوا أخن زي products دحين كل الليست قبل كنا أب في description bar. إن بس حتى كنت حتاني entire description على خمسة arrow كم تحت اللوا arrow خمسة جات سألت كم زي درجات مثل كم زي مثل نعت أوتوا كله تناي list the description أو يتحفظ. Anyways, so مجمرة تذكرت هونكن أب Instagram live زرقي حنرة نايزيا product زارب نرة. This is the Wet n Wild. كيف عليك إذا حفتي؟ زيا photo finish face primer زيا. تذكرت هونكن أب Instagram live تزارب نرة زيا product. Their product is cheap. Come to I think how much like or maybe but it was cheap. I think it was like $5 and then I'm assuming. So yeah, so this product is pretty good for a drugstore primer. I like it. I honestly like it. It's very good for حصور like you know بس حسب like تتقرأت أريحة حصور كوينو الكا like تتقرأت أريحة like كجول أورو eye goes on. But it's good. I mean, I have no problems with it. And I used it on myself and I like it. I actually like it. كيف هلو زي primer. So yeah, so the primer is like important. I get that see primer because the makeup suit حزة نتك قربت نخا smooth يقولوا. So in the foundation كتلخات هون كنا بقربت it makes everything smooth. كل جت كا smooth يهون. The foundation كاتبو قرو يحس. So it's very I get that see. And then ملو معتيت أنح primer تبط لك. So I like this one. This is a photo focus. Actually, it's not photo finish. Photo finish. Okay, that foundation كنت أكملها is this right here. This is the L'Oreal True Match. Is the shade called قطري C7 Nut Brown. So زيادة شما نزيا حبري. So yeah, this one I like this foundation. It pretty much matches me. I think this is like my color in the summertime, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I'm gonna get a foundation brush and I'm gonna put a couple drops of this. So this is like medium. I think this is like medium coverage MSNizia. I don't think full coverage yet, but I think it can be probably become full coverage if you keep applying it. But I don't apply so much to it, so yeah. But if you guys want full coverage, you just gotta keep adding more and more. So yeah, I'm just gonna tap this color, this foundation on my face. Apply it. So I like medium coverage and sometimes I like light coverage. So sometimes I like full coverage, even though I don't need it. Sometimes you like a full beat, you know. So here you go. Easy breezy. And is the brush that comes the BH Cosmetics brush. قطري 113. That's the looking if you were trying to figure out what I'm using. This is also reasonable. This is I think Seta Gazayan. I think I got it for like Esan Celestin Gazaya. Or I think no, I know Hong Gazaya gifting it, sorry. But I think like Esan Celestin do Esan Hamushan Kashi. How to BH Cosmetics like they have it sell. So yeah, so حجي كله بلانجري الله كله بلانجري. It's funny because محاولتي كل جزء like get a program تلنا makeup إذا جوكم كل جزء درفي إذا سمعنا makeup إذا جوكم follow تقولون تفهمكم على Instagram تريهم كل جزء like حجزتيه after the زرقوا حب فيديو تاعت على Instagram after stories Instagram stories حجي or على Snapchat كل جزء like ناس عساكوا دخيل everywhere. So محاولتي like when we have كمز درار وقال لكم كي تخينا like makeup إيه خجبر مش يتقبل يعني قال حجي عمل لقي قال ذاني أو حمش هذاك كودي إيه قريبا لقو حفتهم كاتاي تجبر الله makeup هذا جبرت وعلى تجبر. So so we're gonna conceal حجي خنقول إنه highlight نقبل أنا جتنا حسرتها. This is Maybelline. is Maybelline fit me زيها قطر عصان حمشتن medium medium shade. So حجي كم دبلكون highlighter is نتجتنا خبره هالنايو. So قربتي أنا حجي بزح حاجة برنا like I don't like بزح highlighting I'm gonna say. So قربتي إذا قبل بزين تحت عيننا ديو نت جنبارنا أفنجنا قربتي you know برهيدا بلنا. So highlighter is أقداسي cause اللي خنا خن قد أي مجمرة كمان يلو foundation just get it like حنت حبري عندهم you know but قربتي قدنا حجي like naturally قدنا highlight علىنا natural highlight علىنا also ها natural concealer علىنا not concealer contour علىنا قدنا. So yeah حجي همزة قورة لي حجي تري اللي خن قربتي برهي للي خو قد so it's highlighting is good because like I said it gives you my hair is in my face stop it chogri. Anyways so it's good for brightening up our face and brightening up our under eye, especially like if we don't have enough sleep or something. It's really important to highlight because it gives us like a bright look. So yeah, you guys are just gonna blend it. I'm using a beauty blender. Is it like Zia product is the best. Oh my gosh. I'm using the beauty blender, the original beauty blender, but you guys can find like cheaper versions of it. Cause I think Zia like just it's expensive, but you can find like and if it's soft, this is like soft it's but is that product like, you know, it just like you can apply foundation apply to go contour concealer like, you know, so it's really good. It's a multitasking product, like a multi-purpose, that's what I meant to say, multi-purpose product. So Amazon or up to website sasha.com, Sasha Cosmetics. So I'm gonna use this like little, I don't know what kind of brush this is. I don't even remember. I want to say it's my highlighting brush. I don't know. Anyways, Zia brush قربتي see, it's like very Haddish. So قربتي تقبل أبتن highlight تقبل كنا أن بوتا conceal تقبل كنا بوتا أزيد صبت and you can just kind of swoop it, and yeah, so you can do this. This is for people who don't want to bake, and I'll talk more in depth about baking in my next video. So is it is a set to go to conceal the botatat. Touch me the goro. يحرزه كمزة مرمر كيبل كمزة wrinkly خيخون مرمر مشتبل if set أجور كان زخون النجار بس حجي set the goro. قربت خاب بريده بلكا because كمزة bitch work قوي حبريو, so it kind of brightens up your face too. I like using the Sasha Buttercup. So is the black opal foundation stick beautifully bronze beautifully bronze but after description bar. This is foundation stick like originally foundation stick. So تايقبر قربتي زاجركن زجنباركن دلو بوتا قربتي not بزح is more simple natural يعني قبلنا لو معلتي ميكابنا so بزح يعني قبرنينا. So you can get a contour concealer brush جركن زي جركن blend to go right so blend to go concealer no highlight and contour palette idea. So contour على لوايو بزح حبسات الدلوع إذا أخا I think عسته خلتله or عساك أشياء جزئية I don't know, but تطبقنا جان تاي فتوى نازية because I'm a makeup artist and مستعدودي مستألنتي مستأفانكتو مس بزحاتي لصارح حجي سلز كم خينة جزئية زي بزح حبسات الدلوع خينه. It's good quality too. ده حني هات quality ناتو it's not bad. حجي قربتي خم زاجرك حس زاجرة after the contour to go work with both from زاجرة go بره حجي سبات sometimes حرح زخا أبز contour يجبرهن أو بأنا دحني أفنش I already نشتي so بزح الشيء خو جبر عدلنا بزح جزء أب كم زناي مع قرتي جل أو contour تجبر كذا أوتاش مخو خون اللي يدليو like قرتي ستين كبد get أي كم زين it's خو بدي دليو so contouring نجتكا نجنبار كاديو and is يدبللكا. So, okay, so black radiance this is a black radiance product. Zuha ab drugstore to the black radiance another company night LMT easy. So cool to have them, like they make sure to cater women of color. So I love that. So the highlight abza قبتي كتب لا أخن. And then blend to go over. So the highlighter is just comes in the gutna kabrhelna comes shine كبنا comes glow خنقبر مح كنبل ليش كنبل يدقبرنا. It's really good تبويو cause it قربتي برهي دبلا كان تجاتك قربتي خا أبغى أفنش أنا قربتي نقبر أبغى جنبارنا حدا شاف جنبارنا قربتي أنا لكن نلاقيه. هقرر له كنفر أنا حجي كل جزء mix يدقبر أنت لبستك حنت حبري مثل كال حبري حاويسة like كال حبري يقبر. So that's what I like to do. I like to mix my lipsticks all the time. So yeah, you can use any brown lipstick that you have. Any brown lipstick that you have. You just want it to be like the base for your color. Okay. Alright, so then I'm going to go over and apply a matte lipstick. This is NYX Lingerie. So this one right here I got from the NYX store. This is called Seduction. Seduction Ashimazia. At the description bar. You're gonna apply that right here. Just keep applying it. You see how like it gives you like a different color? So and then it's like a peachy color. Like a peachy brown. I don't even know what color this would be, but I like applying it over my brown lipstick. Just because I feel like it gives me, like when it dries, it gives me this like really cute like rose, not even rose gold. It's like I don't know how to explain it, the color that it gives me, but I love it. Like it gives me like this peachy color. I don't know how to explain it, but as you can see. Alright, so we're doing a really natural beat, right? So natural glowy look. So I'm not gonna apply any liner. I go over the liner. I go over the but me, I'm not gonna do it for this makeup look. Look, but the silicone, you guys can do eyeliner. So I'm using this is, what is this? L'Oreal. This is L'Oreal. L'Oreal. I don't even know the name of it, but it's the two-part. So it has Abdullah primer, Abdullah to mascara. So I'm gonna put that on my eyes. Kind of give me like a more, like this is a more natural look that I'm going for. So it's a really natural look. I say, Glow Mist. This you can find at the Yohannes store, at drugstore, at Target, at the English followers ناتيخا. Pixi at the English product. So I know for sure you can, because it's a England brand. It's it's made in England. It's made in London actually. Exactly, London is where it's made. So it's in the UK. I know you guys can find it. So حجزي like comes the قبعة اللوي comes the قبتة glowy دهبكا. So تلكن قبعة بزح تخوينو قربتكن. No, don't use this. Call it setting powder. I mean setting spray تقما. Maybe MAC. You look at maybe MAC تقما would be good. MAC حجي is نخلو قربتي دخيل. قبعة تلكن do نقط سخوينو. أنا حجي قط is more نقط يو. So I'm gonna use this glow mist because قبعة اللوي حجي قربتي تشمخ قبل الدليل. So you're just gonna close your eyes and. So for the people who have dry skin, this would be perfect for you. But if you have oily skin, I think you're best to use a mattifying, either a mattifying setting spray would be good for you guys. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, like NYX has one, and that has alcohol in it, so that's why it dries. It makes you dry. But yeah guys, so we are done the makeup look. تسفى يقبرت فتوات هون هذه الفيديو كي ترسعة like comment share and subscribe كتقبرا. نخلاتكم كا رحوس حدش عمت رحوس أودامت نخلاتكم أمنتي خرستنا دقي ميخا خبلكني دلي نخلاتكم. So حجي, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, to like and share also. And I just want to wish everybody